Hi everyone, Sabrina here, and today I am showcasing a new stamp set and coordinating die set for the Trinity Stamps July release. This is a small 3x4-inch stamp set, and it features this adorable little gnome sitting on a flower surrounded by several butterflies. The one sentiment from the stamp set is the name of the set, and it is called Hello There. So here you can see I die cut and colored 2 of the gnomes and a whole bunch of the butterflies, and I'm going to show you the cards that I created using these stamped images. I did color them all up with my Copic markers, and right now I'm just lining up all the butterflies on the stamp set so you can get a good idea of everything that you get, including that little sentiment there at the bottom. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you the 2 cards that I created using these die cuts here. The first one features that little daisy, and what I did was I created a shaker card using some shaker bits from Trinity Stamps. Some of these are new, including those little flowers, which I believe are called Sunny Seeds. I thought that they were perfect for this stamp set, and the scalloped rectangle frame I inked up with some distress inks. I used Wild Honey and Squeeze Lemonade. For that sentiment on the bottom, look on the bright side, I used Bright Side Stamp Set, which is another cute little gnome. The other sequence I used inside the shaker is called Seashore, which I'm showing right now. And then I scattered a few of the butterflies around my little gnome, and I thought that looked really cute. And I did make a video showing how I made that card, and you can check that out. I actually posted it yesterday. It was a part of Sneak Week. So for the second card that I created, I made this slimline card, and I combined the gnome from Bright Side and the one from Hello There. They work really nicely together, and I surrounded them with these flowers from Sunflower Bouquet Builder. Here I'm bringing in that stamp set, and I just colored these flowers in bright colors so that they didn't look like fall sunflowers, and I think they turned out really nice. I think they accented the scene well. For the background I used some different slimline dies. And yeah, those are the 2 cards I created with the Hello There stamps and coordinating dies. I'm now showing you some of the other designs that the design team members have made, and they're sure to give you some inspiration. This is a really cute stamp set, so I hope this video gave you some ideas, and I will see you next time. Bye!